Hello friends, namaste. My name is Pritam and welcome back to new video. Well, it's a morning time and it's 21 June 2023. Well guys, I'm here. You can see weather is so good. So I got up around 6 o'clock and I thought that let's make a video guys for you. So guys, I come here and guys, today I am going to tell you about present indefinite. What is the present indefinite structure? Guys, present indefinite structure is subject plus verb plus object. If you talk about daily lifestyle, your routine, then you have to use present indefinite structure. So I would like to give you some example guys of present indefinite. And as I have told you guys what is the structure of present indefinite. Okay, subject I. Okay, I come here. I come here from house. I come here. So this is my routine. I like to come here. And guys, I get up early in the morning. I get up. This is my routine guys and habit. I get up around 6 o'clock. I get up around 5 o'clock, whatever. And guys, I take my breakfast at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. And guys, this is a present indefinite structure guys. I means may and get up means utna and around 6 o'clock, whatever your time, your routine. Okay, all right. And guys, I take exercise. And when I come here and I start taking exercise. So guys, this is present indefinite structure. If we talk about daily routine, if we talk about our daily routine, then it is will have to learn to speak English. So guys, whatever you want to do, whatever you do, whatever you do action entire day, whole day, you can speak present indefinite tense. So guys, you have to use present indefinite tense. And guys, structure is so simple. Well, guys, let's talk about present indefinite but negative sentence. Okay, so negative tense sentence. Subject, what is the structure? Subject plus do not, does not, plus verb plus object. And do not and does not. Guys, do not. Whenever subject is singular, but you have to use does. And guys, whenever subject is plural, then you have to use do. Okay. So okay, let me talk about do or does. Are you getting what I'm saying right now? And okay. Guys, I is a singular subject, but this is a rules. You have to use do. I don't know why. It's okay. Guys, suppose I do not come here. मैं यहाँ नहीं आता हूँ. Okay. This is my routine. This is not part of my routine. Okay. I don't come here every day. Okay. And guys, does. And when to use does? Okay. Whenever subject is singular, and what is singular subject? What? And singular subject is like he, she, it. This is singular subjects. Okay. Okay. Let me give you some examples. See subject and does. Okay. she does not come. She does not come. And positive affirmative sentence guys, she comes. She comes, वो आती है. She comes every day. वो आती है यहाँ हर दिन. Well guys, तो whenever you have to use singular subject guys, then you have to use affirmative sentence after verb s. Okay, and you want to make a negative sentence, then guys, does not. She does not like to eat. Okay, are you getting? I hope you got it. Okay guys, and guys, if you want to question yes or no, if you want to make a question sentence like do you eat this burger, do you eat chapati, do you take tea, do. Okay, helping verb, and guys, subject you, do you, and do you eat. It means verb, you know, do you eat, helping verb, subject, and guys, eat, and object, do you eat food, like whatever you want to like eat, whatever, chapati, you know, burger, bread, it could be anything. Okay guys, सो गाइस, इट्स अ मॉर्निंग टाइम. आज का वीडियो कैसा लगा? तो देखिए, मेरा प्रैक्टिस का जर्नी अभी मैं कंटिन्यू विद इन 3 months. आई वांट टू इम्प्रूव माई इंग्लिश. आई वांट इम्प्रूव माई इंग्लिश. तो देखते हैं क्या होता है, और जो भी चीज़ मैं फेस कर रहा हूँ दोस्तों, सारे चीज़ आपको शेयर करूँगा. सो गाइस, वीडियो कैसा लगा? इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो देन लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर, एंड सी यू अगेन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय बाय.